Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on iPhone 15 Plus. And to do this, we'll need to open our browser. Then let's try to find the website that we want to take a full page screenshot of. When the website is opened, we'll need to click on both power key and volume up key. Click on it once, don't hold these two buttons. That way we'll make a normal screenshot and we can click on it to change to full page like this. And as you can see on the right, we can scroll down through the entire screenshot. Now we can click on done, save to photos, and it should be sent to your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.